tayo sa UP as you can see from the video title. Ngayon, ang gagawin natin is ikutin natin yung campus. The reason why I want to do this video is because I've been spending the past how many months here. I'll get into that later. So, ang gagawin natin ngayon is ikutin natin yung buong campus, which is really too big para sa isang video. So, ang gagawin natin is we're going to cut it into 3 parts. So, unahin muna natin yung main oval. There are other 2. One is commercial and one is yung isang science complex. So, yeah, I thought this video would help dahil malapit na yung pasukan come June or August. So, to those that are entering dito sa UP Diliman, congratulations to the parents as well. It's a very big feat. I hope that you will enjoy your stay. Ngayon, as a first-time parent here, I was able to experience 1 year and I'd say na maganda yung culture dito sa environment ng UP. So, I hope that you guys will enjoy here. So, today, it's a Saturday. Very busy yung UP ngayon. Ang daming nag-workout, ang daming nag-exercise. So, I will show you around. I will bring you guys around with me and hope you enjoy the campus. So, starting right now, nandito tayo sa Quezon Hall. That's the main area ng UP. Let me show you. Ayan. So, this is the main University Boulevard. Galing yan Commonwealth. So, Commonwealth is right there. Ayan. Ang dami nag-walk. And then, ito is, like I said, Quezon Hall. Ayan yung oblation. Ayan. So, for those freshmen that are entering dito sa UP, I guess you know the myth. You know what not to do with regards dyan kay Oblek. Like I said, this is the main boulevard. Dito tayo magsisimula. So, now to the right, dito, to the right here, ibang area naman ng campus yan. And then to the left here, that's a science complex. So, facing the oblation, the rule is counterclockwise. So, paikot tayo counterclockwise and let's follow the crowd. Okay, so we're going counterclockwise. And then yung endpoint natin is back here sa Quezon Hall. So, disclaimer lang po. This is not my school. Hindi ako nag-graduate dito. Most of my time is really spent here dahil my son goes here as a freshman last school year. So, ending na yung school year. And then, a new batch of freshmen ang papasok this coming school year. So once again, congratulations sa inyo. Okay, so straight ahead, dun yung isang section, we'll cover that sa ibang vlog. So right now, dito lang tayo. So this area is called the Academic Oval, or to the ones here, Acad Oval na yung tawag. Normally, very busy to over the weekend, especially on Sunday. Pag sa Sunday po, sarado yung streets dito. Very busy Saturday morning ngayon. May event yata sa theater which we will see, which means daming mga eating places na magsisitayuan. So there are gonna be a lot of eating places right here. We will see that moving forward. Ayan. The one thing with UP is ang dami na lang open spaces na ginagawang parks. You can walk your dog, pwede sila mag-picnic dito. Sometimes during the week, nandiyan na sila. Almost every day of the week, full of joggers. Minsan hanggang gabi. That's a museum. Ayan. Very nice. So again, no, disclaimer, no, I did not go here. Iba yung college ko where I graduated. I spend most of my time here because my son is here. Dito siya nag-freshman. You'll get to see yung building niya in the future vlogs. Daming open spaces, oh. So right now we're approaching kung saan yung mga food stalls. Ang dami dito, especially during the weekends and at night. Yan, dito sa kabila, so you can really see the food stalls. Ang dami, ah. Shawarma, cheesy potato, wow, empanadas, dami. Meron pantaho. Nice. Again, no, like I said, no, counterclockwise yung ikot ng cars. Mga unspoken rule yan. So, if you're new to UP, there's only one way sa mga cars. It's counterclockwise. Normally, yung mga joggers, sumusunod na rin sila dun. There's some that can actually go the other way. They're normally pa counterclockwise. Tapos dito, no, may designated area for joggers. Can't really go past that line. And then the cars have to stay on the other side. Pag Sunday dito sa Oval, they close it to the mga cars. Puro joggers lang yun nandito. Ayan. Nandito tayo sa area ng mga food. Bilihan ng food. If you can see it behind me. Ngayon, we're approaching the famous Palma Hall. There you go. This road that you see here, that leads to the other area ng UP campus. Papakita ko sa inyo sa maybe next vlog. Right now, focus lang tayo dito sa Akad Oval. So ngayon, let's proceed. Ayan yung Palma Hall. I'm not sure, pero I think dito sa Palma Hall are yung mga GA subjects. Yan. Normally, dito sa Palma, again, when you think of UP, mga rallies. So si Palma is normally the start and the end of these rallies or yung mga protest. Lots of people dahil Saturday ngayon, naging family day yung UP Diliman campus. Ayan yung Palma Hall. Another unspoken rule dito, no? They value yung mga life dito. So yung mga cats, yung mga pets, everything here, they value. So kapag nagpapatakbo kayo ng cars or whatever, you have to really be careful sa mga tumatawid na cats or dogs. Ayan. The famous Palmahall steps. Ayan. So fun fact sa Palmahall, meron siyang twin building. It's on the other side. Dadaanan natin yan later. Tawag sa kanya Melchor Hall. So it's the complete flip of Palmahall. We'll see it later. After this whole tour or yung after this whole ikot ng UP, I wonder kung naka ilan steps na ako. Let's see. For now, let's push through. It's a nice day to really work out and to exercise dito sa UP. Daming trees, which is another unspoken rule here. Cannot leave your car idling. Ayaw nila dun. Yeah, they don't want you to be idling in your car with the fumes dahil what I think is bad for the trees and the environment. So tuloy-tuloy lang yung mga food stalls dito. Daming taho, my favorite. Mga fishball din. Okay, so what I understand, no, itong building na to, if you can read, it's called the Lagmay Hall. I think this is an extension building of Palma. Na konektado pa rin siya. There. I think it used to be Palma Hall. We just gave it a different name. That's how big Palma is. Oh. So ito yung what they call the sunken garden. Famous sunken garden. It's really not that big pag sa personal. Pero ang dami nangyayari dyan. I think they put the fair there and other events. Na outdoor. Yan, may mga baseball games rin sila doon. And then yung nandun, that's the amphitheater. So there's the sunken garden. Dito sa area to, marami rin mga vendors dito pag Sunday around here. Around there. This is the College of Education. Yeah, right next to yung Palma Hall. Now to the right, I think where yung pick up na yan. Yeah, there. May exit doon papuntang Katipunan. May mga small streets dyan, mga eskinita. Yung mga eskinita dyan na you can exit onto Katipunan so you don't have to go out yung mga main gates. Ayan. Another shot of sunken garden. Again, no, I hope this video will help out yung mga bagong dating dito sa UP, those that have never been on campus, and yung mga parents na maghahatid at magsusundo sa mga anak nila. So I hope this video will help you guys out to know how to navigate UP Diliman campus. Once again, to those new students or freshies incoming dito sa UP Diliman, congratulations to the parents as well. Good job. There. When you go out there sa may Schuster Street, you can end up sa Katipunan, which faces UP Town Center. Ayan. So this building, ito yung student facility building. Let's move. This building provides student aid, no? So if you want to look for any tutors, any classes that you can improve sa mga ibang subjects nyo, just inquire dito sa building na to. They may have mga upper level students that can help you out. I think that was the main purpose kung bakit tinilo itong building na to. Okay. Ang dami rin mga kainan dyan, no? Dito yung commuters area. Ang daming nag-aabang ng jeep here. There. And then there. Yan, sa mga waiting sheds na yan. May mga food rin dyan. Go look at the amphitheater. Then si Manong Mangga, straight ahead. Mga mangoes yan, napaka-asim. Pero masarap. So, yan. If you're ever here in UP, yan. Mga green mangoes dyan. Very good. Especially with yung spicy salt. Yeah. Okay. Okay, dito naman is the commerce and the business area. Yung mga buildings nila right next to the student facility. And the building after that is the economics building. I think dito around the academic oval is probably 3.2 kilometers. I'm not sure. Hindi ako sigurado. So let's see if that is true. Another unspoken rule dito is you really have to keep the campus clean. Kaya ang dami mga trash cans where you can segregate your garbage. Ayan. Okay, katulad ng pinakita ko kanina, the street going into the other section of the campus, yung science area. This street ahead, ito yung mga this street ahead, that's going to the commercial area of the campus. May mga eating places. We'll cover that in another vlog. So ayan, this is the UP Law Building. Ang tawag sa kanya is the Law Building. And soon we will be approaching yung engineering. Yun yung twin building ni Palma. Malapit na tayo. Almost 10 o'clock a.m. Dami pa rin mga trees. That's why you don't really feel the heat. Mga food stalls ulit. Strawberries yun ah. Fish ball, squid balls, instant noodles, ice cream. So again, if you notice, may barrier. So yung joggers and the walkers stay to the left side. And the cars to the right. Unspoken rule yan. Even for the joggers, hindi pwede mag-impede na mga cars, and the cars have to watch out for the walkers and the joggers. Ayan. Okay, so we are approaching yung twin ni Palma Hall, tawag sa kanya Melchor Hall. It's the building for engineering. So if you look at the building, tapat na tapat niya yung Palma Hall here to the left. Yan. In fact, may walkway rin sila doon. A shortcut, so you don't have to go around the oval. You can just take the walkway. Ayan. You can see it right here. Ayan na. I think they were responsible of making that walkway straight to Palma Hall. Ayan. So like Palma Hall, meron rin siyang famous steps. Kasi nga, tuwing nga siya ni Palma. How many people have walked through these halls? Melchor Hall. Ito yung walkway, no? Straight to Palma Hall. Take this from Melchor. Diyan. Steps. Ayan. Yung tawag sa kanya, the better way. Fitting. Very clean yung campus, no? If you look at the sidewalks, the roads, it's really well taken care of. Dami rin mga cats, if you can see. Ano pinapakain na yung mga cats. Because again, lahat ng mga pets and lahat ng mga living beings inaalagaan dito sa UP. Even the trees, I'll show you later. May mga bridges na sila ginawa. They have bridges here that was made, tapos iniwasan nila yung trees. I'll show you later. Ayan. Okay, so ito yung Melchor Hall. Itong street na to, very crucial yan. Ayan. Roses Street. This street connects the right side to the left side. Yan. So, I'm facing there. This street from the commercial area sa mga eating connects all the way to Science. So hindi mo na kailangan umikot sa oval just to get to the other side. You can use this street. Very helpful tong street na to. And then tagusan yan all the way until sa labas sa main gate. CP Garcia. Yan. So for those entering here, remember this street, Roses. Very helpful yan. Shortcut kumbaga from one side to the other. Okay, sa mga joggers, may stoplight rin sila. You have to observe the rules here. So the cars will stop for the joggers, but the joggers need to stop for the cars as well. Ayan, no? Tuloy-tuloy pa rin yung land nila. Dami. Space, open space. Stick to the oval. Again, no? Tawag dito, academic oval, or for short, ACAD oval. So, kung may mga PE kayo, and they say na meeting sa ACAD oval, itong area yon. again, after one school year, I spent most of my time here sa paghatid and pagsundo sa anak ko. He is a freshman, incoming sophomore next school year. So may bagong batch naman ng freshman na papasok. Now I hope this video helps if you watch this video. I hope it helps on how to navigate and maneuver around UP Diliman campus. We'll get to 2 other areas in the next 2 videos. So document natin si science area and then the commercial area. Family day out on a Saturday morning. There you go. Ayan yung film center. Again, no, pag Sunday, itong Akad Oval, bawal yung mga cars, strictly for joggers and walkers. So they close the whole area, bawal sa mga cars. May big event yata happening right now dito sa theater. Daming tao. Wonder what it is. So itong place is very busy right now, no? Daming tao. Big event happening right now. Yan yung theater ng UP Diliman. So kapag may mga freshie welcomes, ayan, that's where it's held. And itong mga building next door is Media and School of Music. Ayan. Actually, malapit na tayo from our starting point, which is that one. Ayan, yung Quezon Hall. There. Doon yung graduation. Mas less yung trees dito. But still, may shade pa rin. We're nearing our starting point. So may Quezon Hall. So once again, no, yan yung University Boulevard to the right. That intersects with Commonwealth. So may Quezon City Circle. Yeah. And then the famous Maginhawa Street, if you are familiar, sa mga restaurants, it's on the other side, to the left side. Okay, so we're back here sa starting point natin in Quezon Hall. Yan yung oblation. By the way, that's not the original statue, no? The original statue is in the library. Sa likod yata yan. This is a replica statue. Pero, ayan. Okay, dito tayo sa Process Street, sa square where maraming mga bilihan ng mga food. I will show you yung walkway. Ayan. Ayan yung walkway. A safer way to get through kasi dito daanan ng mga cars. Although may sidewalk naman. But it's just a creative way to get around. And look, iniwasan nila yung mga trees. Kaya hindi siya straight. Which is a good thing. Imagine kung gaano katagal na itong mga trees. There. Ito yung walkway. Ayan. It stretches that way. And it stretches this way. Ayan. It's hot. There again, mga open spaces ni UP. We use these for picnics, sometimes practice for school, presentations, and yeah. hangout lang. And this is it. That's the walkway. Yeah. So this is the west side. Ayan yung east side. Mas mahaba to because this reaches all the way to the back. Ayan. May tunnel pala dito. So it's the bridge. Tawag natin dito, the bridge. Interesting, no? Okay. We're here. Stop muna tayo in front of Palma. Ayan yung Palma building. Dito tayo nakaupo sa harap ng parking lot. Okay, so bumili ako ng drink, red iced tea. Let's see if it's good. Ayan. Sakto lang, pero refreshing. Okay, so real talk muna. Ayan. I mentioned earlier that ito na yung bagong life ko. So for the past school year, I was helping out our son. Adjust to the first year of college life. Ngayon, I wanna ask you, no? So those people that are watching, no, is there something that you feel that you wanted to do but somehow are not able to do it? Kumbaga, there's something that you want to achieve more compared to what you're doing now. If that's the case, I'd like to say na do not neglect it. Try and give it some thought kasi sometimes it's those things that really get you out of the hole. So kung feeling nyo nasa stuck kayo or something, it's something to listen to, yung mga instincts nyo, because sometimes creatively that's what gets you going in life. It adds meaning, it adds purpose to yung mga gusto nyo gawin. So for those of you that are watching, I used to be in that same situation. So galing ako ng 18 years of corporate work, but that's not really my whole working experience, na mas mahaba pa yun. But 18 years in one company, in one job. Sometimes you tend to think of things like that. You feel that there's something more that you want to contribute to yourself, maybe to help others, that you're not able to do right now kasi nasa work kayo, you have things to do. So what I'd like to say to that is try and give it some thought. Try and give it some extra meaning because you don't want to wait too long. I admit that was my mistake. I waited too long. Sometimes you stick to safety more than what you want to do. You tell yourself, kasi safe to, so I'll just stick to it. But somehow, habang may time pa, or habang you have a sort of an idea, expounded it na lang after. You don't have to have the correct answers or the right answers right now. You just need to be able to have an idea to push yourself to do it. Whatever that may be, but it should be something that you'd like to do or something that you're thinking of pursuing maybe sa future. Again, no one naman has the right answers. Kung hindi mag-workout, For me, I think I'd rather know if it didn't work out compared to not knowing if I did not try. Gets nyo ba? Is that clear? But it's something like that. So if there's something in the sa gut nyo that you want to be able to explore, that you want to do, gawin nyo mga side hustle, gawin nyo something on the side during weekends. You'll never know what you're going to experience kapag hindi nyo na-try. So to all of those that are watching that are feeling the same way. I'm sure hindi naman ako yung dumaan. Try and explore it. Ako, I waited so long. We're 18 years in one company, in one job. But the thing is, sa 18 years na yan, sometimes you think about it earlier. Sometimes, ilan years pa lang sa work, you kind of know already na there's something that you want to do. So yun, that's what I can say. The outcome will take care of itself. Sometimes you can discern naman whether it will be good or not. So, the one thing that I'll say to that is, whatever situation that you're in, always have gratitude. Gratefulness is something that no one can take away. It's something that we have to feel on our own. Whatever situation you're in. Because some people like yung mga experiences natin that they cannot enjoy. So, whatever situation that you're in, always be grateful that you are in that situation, that you were given that opportunity, that you were given that chance. So, ako, the opportunity that I was given in this situation that I'm in for the past almost one school year was I was able to spend time with my son. We were able to watch him transition to his first year in college, university pa naman, so it's really not easy. And I guess we're glad, or I'm glad that I was able to experience that. Moving forward, it's time to look to new things, to new challenges. So I hope this video helps you, not just itong last part, but yung walkthrough natin for those parents and those freshies that are coming into UP Diliman. I hope that you can see this side before entering, na medyo pagpasok nyo na, alam nyo na kung ano kung saan kayo pupunta, yung mga unspoken rules dito. And then, ayan. So, I hope that this video helps na in the future makapag-blend kayo dito sa UP. If this is your first time here mismo sa campus, I hope this video helps. So for now, if you like this video, please like and subscribe below. I will come out with the next 2 videos, which is the science complex here, this side, or yeah, sa kabilang side ng Palma, and then the commercial area that side. So for now, thank you for watching. Catch you in the next vlog.